Good day, entertainment aficionados. You're tuned into CelebXplore Hub, where we're about to unravel a tale of style, friendship, and a touch of Taylor Swift magic. Imagine this: Emily Blunt, Ryan Gosling, in a Parisian premiere buzzing with excitement. But there's more than meets the eye. Stick around to uncover the juicy details. Lights, camera, fashion. Emily Blunt stole the spotlight at the Fall Guys Paris premiere, donning a mesmerizing white jumpsuit adorned with a vibrant vegetable print. But wait, there's a twist! Our eagle-eyed viewers spotted a subtle nod to none other than Taylor Swift. Yes, you heard it right! Blunt flaunted one of Swift's iconic friendship bracelets, adding a dash of star-studded camaraderie to her ensemble. But let's not forget the dashing Ryan Gosling, who exuded charm in a sleek Gucci suit, setting hearts aflutter. Together, they epitomized Hollywood glamour as they graced the red carpet with poise and elegance. Oh, the allure of Parisian premieres! Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter. The Fall Guy promises a roller coaster of emotions, with Blunt and Gosling leading the charge. From complicated relationships to thrilling escapades, this action-packed comedy is set to keep audiences on the edge of their seats. But the fun doesn't end there. Gosling's SNL stint had audiences in stitches as he hilariously bid adieu to his Barbie counterpart, Ken. And guess who made a surprise appearance? That's right, Emily Blunt, adding her signature wit to the mix. It's a must-see moment that's sure to leave you in stitches. And there you have it, folks! A whirlwind journey through the glitz and glamour of the Fall Guys Paris premiere. From fashion statements to comedic brilliance, Blunt and Gosling delivered a night to remember. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exclusive updates from CelebXplore Hub. Until next time, stay fabulous!